We're here on opening day at the Terra Luna Resort. We're on the 8th floor in room 8086. Let's go inside and take a look at our room. Very modern, very clean looking. So as you step back here into the foyer area, I want to point out to you that they have adjoining rooms. So here's a door if you need a room next to you. Here's a full-length mirror. Check out your outfit. Let's go in here. This is the wet area. You have a vanity, counter, plenty cubby hole space to store your toiletries, or you can put this stuff underneath if you need to. And then on the wall, you have a nice, well backlit mirror and a light in here. And then we go in here. This is our bath or bathing area. And we have a shower. Nice shower, nice size. Nice shower head as well. I like the size of the shower, and I like the doors, the way they roll on the bar. They have their own product, and it's called Cosmic Ember. They also have a little bar there that, for women especially, put your leg up there, shave your legs. Nice shower area, toilet, and then of course they have towels and a towel rack. So if we back out of here and cross the hall, you're gonna see they have a closet. So let's open up the closet and take a look. Plenty of storage in this closet. So you have a big shelf on top where they also give you a pillow and blanket if you need that. They have a safe here. They have plenty of hanging space for your clothes, an ironing board, and then plenty of room to stack items on the floor of this closet. So let's close this up. And next to the closet is your thermostat. So you want to know where that's located. And then on this wall, I want to show you that if you want privacy, you can shut this little curtain, or you can open it up if you want to bring more light into the bathing area. Next to the curtain area is a light switch, and this light switch controls the light over the window. And then this light switch controls the light above the bed. You have 2 queen beds in your room. Very nice, 2 pillows on each. The beds are not, they don't have openings underneath. So they're not open, you can't put anything underneath them. They do have a nightstand in between with an alarm clock and a lamp. And on the wall you have USB ports and an outlet and outlets. And then here you have a drawer. There's your Bible. But underneath you can't open this, so just saying. On that wall you're going to see there's another switch. That's for the light above this bed. Now here's our view out this window, this huge window. And we are actually looking at Stella Nova. And if you look to the left, you can see blue circle signs. They direct you to Universal and Epic, because beyond that, the yellow and the green, if you can see that, or maybe you can see the Grand Helios, that Helios Grand is Epic Universe. So it's right there. Over on this wall, we have lights. So there's a light right there. And then we have a couch area and a task table. By the way, there's plenty of room underneath there if you have to store suitcases or other items. And next to it is a dresser with a nice countertop. Here you're going to find your outlets and USB ports. And then they also have telephone. And in this dresser, they have 4 drawers. They're not very deep, but that's okay. I mean, you unload your suitcase, and if you can't get it all out, there's plenty of room to store your suitcase. Next to this dresser is your refrigerator. This is a small one. You can put beverages in there and snacks. And then above it is your coffee service. It's a Cuisinart. It takes pods. They give you pods, and they also give you an ice bucket. So that's a look at our room here at Terra Luna. If you like this video, please like it and consider subscribing, and we'll see you on our next magic adventure. Bye.